You don't know us, alright? You've never seen us before in your lives. You ain't seen us, right? So we're going to go right back to the beginning. Right back to 3 years ago, when I was a much larger gentleman, and Charlie was almost out of nappies. And we started off, the first song we ever jammed was this. And it's a Radiohead song to cheer you all up. Unfortunately, or unfortunately, Charlie ain't got a full pint of beer up here, so his nan will be pleased. But this is a cautionary tale about trying to have a loving relationship when you work on one shift and your other half works on t'other. It's been that long we can't remember it. When you worked on so I could look you in the eye. You cut like an angel. Either made some sparks fly. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. Hey, 'cause not bloody special. But I'm on Neets. And that's on afters. Are we ever gonna meet? We just don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts. I want remote control. I want a perfect body to match your perfect soul. And I want you to notice when I'm not around. Hey, 'cause you're bloody special. And I wish I was special, but I'm on Neets, and that's on afters. We're like passing ships in the night. We just don't belong here. Everybody! Oh, oh, she's running out the door. Again! She's running out. She's run, 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 run. Don't forget your Snapchat, love. Run. Whatever makes you happy, whatever thou wants. Hey, that's so bloody special. And I wish I was special, but I'm on Neets, and that's on afters. We'll have to try and get on these. We just don't belong here. We just don't belong here. Thank you. That's your killing island. Right. You'll have to excuse me for a minute, because I'm going to sing one to the VIP area now. Oh, no, yeah, but hold on, you get a beautiful fucking view of his house. You lot are getting me in right trouble. So I'm going to sing you one. What should we sing? Yeah.